What up, YouTube? It's your favorite math teacher, Mr. Stevener, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, go hit that subscribe button for me so I can make content just for you. Today, we're going to be concentrating on evaluating expressions. If you don't know what that is, and you're not sure what an expression is, my advice to you, go watch my video on order of operations. That will be important for this skill, as well as simplifying expressions. You might need to know that. I'm leaving those links in the description for you. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Hey, Tommy, come here.
Okay, here. Oh, I was just laying down. I was just laying down. I was sleeping. Yeah. Oh, hi guys. How's it going?
I think they're doing well. I think they're doing good. Are you doing good?
Oh yeah, I'm doing great. All right, I'm excited for another video. Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So you remember how we talked about simplifying expressions and those things, Tommy? We're going to be looking now at evaluating expressions. Another way to say evaluate kind of is solving, but not really. Solving is slightly different. So we're going to be evaluating. You with me?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, go ahead.
Oh, I don't know what to do.
Oh, you don't know what to do. Well, the good thing is, that's why I'm here. So remember, it's important, okay? You may not know when to use this in life, right? But sometimes the why is not as important as the how, right? So if you know how to do this, when why comes along, you're going to be ready. But if you know why and don't know how, then what's the point of knowing why?
Yeah, that's so true. I like that quote. Who said that?
I did.
Oh,
So, without further ado, guys, let's take a look at this. So this problem right here, guys, here's the thing. Remember how I told you? I don't know if you guys remember in the video, and if you haven't watched it, it's up there. Go watch it.
where is it? I don't see it.
No, they're going to see it. It's going to be like this little eye that pops up thing. Go click on.
Oh, well, go click on it if you don't know.
Okay, yeah, go click on it. With expressions, they can't be solved, guys. This thing right here, when I tell you to evaluate it, here's the thing. You can't.
I can't.
Nope, you can't. Unless I tell you what the variable is.
Well, then tell me.
Oh, okay, so the variable in this case, I might say anything. This could be anything, guys. The problem is going to give you the value of the variable. So it might say, hey, solve this expression where an m is 3.
Okay, so what do I do?
Well, it's pretty straightforward. You then, anywhere that you see an m, you are then going to put a 3. Okay, this is really important. So what I like to do though, and this is just kind of helpful for you, I like to put that number that you take, I like to put it in parentheses. Okay, so imagine you're like taking out the m and you're putting right there instead a 3. Okay, because a number, this is really important, this coefficient is what this is called.
Coefficient.
Exactly, coefficient is the number next to this variable and it means multiply. So anytime you see a number next to it, it means multiply. So I like to put parentheses so it's a reminder of multiplication, because some kids will do something like this and that looks like
53 take away 6.
exactly, and it's not 53. Okay, it's 5 times 3. That's really, really important.
Really, really important.
Exactly. Thank you, Tommy, for emphasizing that.
You're welcome. Sure.
Anyway, so then I'm going to do, it goes to regular order of operations, Tommy, where multiplication comes first. So remember, this is multiplication. So 5 times 3 is 15. Take away 6 is equal to 9. And you solved your first, or you evaluated your first expression.
Oh man, that was kind of easy.
I'm starting off very easy on purpose. It's about to get tricky.
Oh man, I knew it. Of course it is. It's never that easy.
Never that easy. That is for sure. All right, so here's take a look at this one. What do you notice is different, Tommy?
It has two variables this time.
It does have 2 variables this time. Can I solve that?
Yeah.
Right now I can solve it how it is.
Oh wait, no, you didn't give us the variable value.
I have to give you the variable value. You're right. So in this case, I'm going to give you t is equal to 7. Can I solve that?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, I need m too.
You'd also need m. You are right. M is important.
Yeah, so important. Yeah.
So I'm going to give you m is, we'll call it 3. Sound good?
Sure.
Remember, it can be anything.
I was gonna ask that. How did you know?
I can read your mind, Tommy.
Really? How?
It's kind of complicated.
Do 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 do.
No, okay, knock it off. Anyway, so where am I? What am I gonna do with this 7?
Uh, put it anywhere you see a T. Yeah, put it anywhere. Put it. Put it. Put it.
Okay. There's T right here. Should I put it there?
Yeah.
And remember, I like to use what?
Parentheses.
Exactly, I like to use parentheses. It's a 7. Plus, what do I put the m instead of?
3. Yeah, 3.
Good. So then I solve it. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus, and I do multiplication here, 6. And you get 41.
Oh man, this is kind of easy.
It is supposed to be, right? It's just about manipulating these. Keep in mind, I'm just showing you how to evaluate expressions. A lot of times it's not this simple because what'll happen is they'll actually give you some long expression that's really complicated. But we're just going to look something like this.
Oh, wait. What the? What is this?
Well, same thing. I just have to know 3 different variable values, right? I have to know m, what's that equal to solve it, what r is equal to, and what t is equal to. And here's the thing, guys. If they don't tell you one of the variables, you can't solve this problem. So tell your teacher, well, I can't solve it unless you give me all the values of the variables. It's the only way you can solve an expression. Equations, Tommy, are different. Equations can be solved. Expressions cannot unless you have the correct information. Okay? So let's call it 2. So now, instead of m, I put what?
4? Wait a second. Well, what do you do if two variables are next to each other?
It's a great question. It's the same thing with coefficient. If they're next to each other, it just means multiply.
Ah, so next to each other means multiply.
Exactly, you are right. Multiply. Divide by 2. So this becomes 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10, and you're done.
Oh my goodness, I think I can get this.
All right, I'm going to throw my curveball. You ready? This is where it gets tricky. If you tune me so far, awesome. You're about to know things other people don't know.
Oh, wait, what is that?
This is an example of when you might have to simplify the expression before solving it. So I'm going to use distributive property. I'm going to use e times d squared and e times negative 9. All right, so I'm going to do that first. So e times d squared is, you just put them together, e d squared, because it's multiplication, right? But you don't know what the variable is. Take away 9e, right? That represents multiplication. We talked about it, over 6. If you're not sure, remember, go watch that simplifying expressions video. So again, I would need to know what the value of the variable is, so we'll call e is 2 and d is 3, and we'll move on from there, okay? So what am I going to put for e?
2? Wait a second, there's 2 e's.
There are 2 e's, but you can't combine these like terms because the variables are different. That's really important. Right, this is ed squared. I know this is a variable, this is a variable. You can't combine those. They're different. So I'm going to do 2 times what?
3 squared?
Exactly, 3 squared. Okay? That's really important. I do that 3 squared first, and then you multiply.
Why?
Well, order of operations. I said that's important to understand too. So that's going to be 18. Take away, oh, this is fun, times 9 and 2. What's 9 times, 9 parentheses 2 over 6. What's 18 to minus 18?
Wait, isn't it 0?
It is 0. You're right. So what's 0 divided by 6?
0?
So the answer to this is 0.
Oh man, that was easy.
That one was easy, but keep in mind I picked easy numbers. Again, this is just an example of you might have to simplify to evaluate the expression. But otherwise, guys, the truth is evaluating expressions are really easy. You just need to know order of operation, right? You need to know how to simplify expressions if that comes up, and be able to just multiply, add, and subtract, and divide.
Wow, that's pretty straightforward. This is an easy video.
I hope you guys liked it. If you see evaluating expressions, remember, go from there. Video coming up next that might be helpful with this is being able to write expressions, because that's going to help you with word problems that I know everybody. Oh, I hate those. Okay, you can't interrupt me.
Sorry, I just don't like those.
I know you don't. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember, the how is important. Hopefully you watched to the end of this so you know how. Comment below if you guys need some help with anything, or let me know. Contact me or contact Tommy. Right, Tommy?
Yeah, we are here to help. Okay, guys? Thanks. See you later.
You are silly.
I know.